Hello everyone and welcome to Find Your Math. Today we are going to be talking about representing inequalities on a graph. So we are going to just talk about the procedure for now. Identify the required inequality and consider it as an equation. So let's take an example. Your inequality was x is less than 2. So we are going to consider it as an equation. So where you have that symbol that represents the inequality, just take it to be an equal sign. After I take it to be an equal sign, it means that this is going to be the equation of the line you're going to draw on the graph. So since it's x is equal to 2, we shall get some points. For example, x, y. X is equal to, the equation x is equal to 2 means that all the coordinates of x are 2. So you put 2, 2, 2. Then here I can put any number you want. For example, negative 2, 0, 2. And those are the points you plot on your graph. So after getting those points and you plot them on the graph, while you're drawing the line to show you the boundary for your inequality, you have to note something. You have to note the nature of the symbol you are using. If the symbol you are using is less than or greater than, it has to be dotted. It is dotted because the number 2 is not included in the solution set for x. But if you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you have to make the line bold, like you do not dot it at all, because the 2 you are including in your solution set is also the 2 is also there in the solution set for the values of x. So you have to note the symbol. If the symbol has the not or equal to sign at the bottom, you make the line like that. If it does not have it, you make it dotted. So after I draw a line, let's take an example. This was your graph 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is a 0. And let's say this was your line. Yeah? After that, you're going to get 2 points on either side of the line. Let's say any random point, for example, here and here. After getting those points, you're going to put them into the equation of your line to see which one satisfies the equation according to the question. So the question, if the question says that identify the inequality and shade the unwanted region, it means you're going to shade the region that does not satisfy the equation. But if it wants the wanted region, it means you're satisfying that has the inequality that satisfies the equation. So after finding out, like for example, it's this point, you come and shade it like that, and that is how you plot your inequalities on a graph. Follow me on my next segment so that I can give you an example of a question and you'll understand this better. Thank you very much for following today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll meet you again in the next segment.